Hey, what's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to give you a great benefit of being a Genusity associate coming up next. What's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this quick video, I'm going to talk about a benefit of being a Genusity associate that I don't really see too many people talking about. So I'm going to talk about it. All right, first of all, if you're not familiar with Genusity, Genusity is, I'm stuttering, is a fairly new, it's been around a couple years, network marketing / affiliate marketing home business opportunity. We actually have several different products right now that are very popular and are doing very, very well. Both of our product lines are in billion-dollar industries, and that is the advertising industry. Why can't I talk? I should like cut this video and start over, but I'm not. All right. The two industries are the advertising industry and the CBD industry. Both of these industries are huge right now, and they're only getting bigger and bigger. So when you become a Genusity associate, you have the ability to promote the advertising beacon devices and stuff that we have that can actually promote your businesses. Also, you can promote the CBD products that we have. We actually have a CBD oil, CBD patch, and we just came out with a CBD facial cream to help you look younger, more youthful, bright, happy, all that stuff. So you can either promote either one of these, or you can promote both of them if you want, right? So the business opportunity is really, really cool, and I've talked about that a million times. Now, something that I don't see people talk about is Genusity's autoresponder that comes with, as an associate. Now, here's the good and the bad. The bad side of it is, your autoresponders are like automatically have like a follow-up, and your follow-up should be based around getting, people into your Genusity business, whether it be the CBD products, getting reps for that, or you're getting associates for the actual Genusity advertising side of things. The autoresponder sequence is geared towards, obviously recruiting people into Genusity. But here's the cool thing. And you could switch it if you want, but obviously people are going through your Genusity sales pages, so your sequences should at least start, with emails talking about joining Genusity. Common sense, right? But you have this list. You have a built list. I have probably over 300 people right now just on my Genusity list, right? 300 people, 300 prospects that I can email whenever, right? I'll probably do one tomorrow, actually. But anyway, so once they go through that, they're on your list. Here's the cool thing, which I know about Genusity's autoresponder. And this is crazy, but to me, they have one of the best autoresponders. And what I mean is, whenever you create a message in their autoresponder, you can actually check the deliverability of that email to your prospects. They actually have a spam checker. Before you actually send out your email, you can actually check, and they will break it down. They'll give you a score of your email, right? A 2, anything under like a 3 is good. It'll probably hit the inbox. But if your deliverability score, your spam score is like 3, 4, 5, 6, you want to go back and you want to revamp your email, and they actually tell you what's wrong with your email, why it's not probably going to get to the inbox, right? So this allows you to, make sure, really increase the chances of your email going to the inbox. Honestly, I would say 95% of my emails get to my prospects inbox. Like, because I have multiple accounts and everything, and that's on my list just to make sure I'm checking everything. And it always, 95% of the time, it goes to my inbox, guys. And that's what a lot of people who have lists and are building lists, they want their emails to be seen, right? So, like, people don't really talk about Genusity's autoresponder like that. I don't know why, but here's the thing. So once you get people signed up, Genusity, and they go through your sequence of emails, say they don't join Genusity, say they just ain't feeling it for whatever reason, you still got them on that list. You can actually either you can send out blasts, email blasts once a day. You can only do one a day with this autoresponder, but you can do it one blast every 24 hours promoting whatever you want. It's your list. You can promote whatever you want, or you can actually extend out your sequence that they were on, and you could just expand to it, talking about another program if you want. So maybe your original sequence had 4 emails that go out trying to recruit, your prospects into Genusity, whether they join or they don't, whatever. But then you can extend, you can add 10 more sequence emails that can go out 2-3 months talking about other opportunities, guys. So essentially you got an autoresponder just like any other company. But yes, you do got to start out promoting the Genusity opportunity or the CBD, whatever, or the advertising, whatever. But once you do that, you're good to go. And why can't I talk? The deliverability is great, guys, and the spam checker is really, really good. So if you're thinking about joining Genusity and maybe you needed that extra push, maybe this autoresponder video will actually push you over and be like, you know what? I want to jump in just to even use their autoresponder. Keep in mind, Genusity's only $15 a month. That's it to be an associate. $15 a month, you can actually start. A, you actually have your own home business. B, you're in $2 billion industries. And C, you got a banging autoresponder now, right? To communicate with prospects for months and months and years to come. So that's my take. Video ended up being longer than I thought. Now I'm tired. All right. So if you want to check out Genusity for yourself, link is in the description of this video. Check it out. If you got any comments, leave them below. Also, my phone number is in the description. So if you have any legit, real questions, give me a call, shoot me a text, and I'll help you out. All right. Be sure to subscribe. Till the next time. Peace.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a $1 billion industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.